Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a Ford Bronco Sport in neutral. First, make sure your vehicle is running and on a flat surface. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, shift the rotary gear selector to the neutral position. This is the initial step to prepare your Bronco Sport for towing or other situations requiring neutral. Always prioritize safety and follow these steps carefully. Once in neutral, turn the ignition off. It's crucial to ensure the parking brake is fully disengaged before proceeding. For towing, always consult your Ford Bronco Sport's owner's manual. It provides detailed instructions and important safety warnings specific to your vehicle model. Following these guidelines helps prevent damage and ensures a safe towing experience for everyone involved. Remember, never leave your Bronco Sport unattended when it's in neutral, especially on any incline. Always use wheel chocks to prevent unexpected movement. It's vital to understand that towing in neutral is typically for short distances or specific recovery situations. Prolonged towing in neutral can cause transmission damage if not done according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Safety is paramount. To quickly recap, start your Bronco Sport, apply the brake, and then rotate the gear selector to neutral. This simple process ensures your vehicle is ready for specific situations like flat towing or moving at short distances. Always double-check your owner's manual for any additional steps or warnings. And hey, if your car could use a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.